Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Aao Baatein Kare. Pooja here. I hope you all have enjoyed the earlier discussions about raising your vibrations. What is high vibration? What are the basic steps we can take to raise our vibrations? If you all have not seen it, go check my YouTube channel or you can hear it on my podcast, both under the same names, Aao Baatein Kare. Well, imagine you all have all gone to see a movie. Okay, imagine old times when we used to go to a cinema hall or a theater, we could go and you see a movie, and by the end of it, you don't really enjoy all the parts of the movie, and you wish some of the parts could have been changed, or some characters would have behaved in a different way, or you could have changed the ending of the movie. Well, I feel after seeing some of the movies, I wish I could change few things in this, and this would have made the movie even better. Well, how would you guys feel if I give you all the option that you all can change the script, or if you all would have got the option that you can change the script? Well, we may not be able to change the script in the movies, but we can change the script of our life. We are our own writers. Have you ever realized this? You don't like the place you're standing in life, or you don't like the situation you are in? Well, let's change it. Let's do something about it. So, from today, you all are the script writers of your own lives. How do you all feel hearing that? Well, the day I realized I could do that, I felt powerful. I felt great. And I took my life in my hand. And I suggest you guys do the same. Well, first let's imagine, what do you all want to be your ideal script? Every person will have a very different script because we are all in different phases and stages of lives. So, no copying the script. Even if you all have four friends or four members in the same family, guys, all will have a different script. So, copy nahi chalega. Where do you want to be after 1 year, 2 years, 5 years? Well, 5 years is a long time. Let's start with 1 year. Do you want to be 10 kg slimmer? Do you want a better job? Do you want a better relationship? Do you want a kid? Do you want a new car? What is it that you want? You all will all have to sit back and choose a destination. Isn't it fun? We get to choose the destination in life now. Yeah. That's the power of scripting your own life. You just can't go to the airport and say kahin ka bhi ticket de do, or give us ticket to any place. You have to tell them Goa, Hawaii, some place, Switzerland, Australia, Japan, New Zealand, some destination. You all guys will have to think, and then there should be some name of the movie, right? Then we'll all start scripting together. One important tip before starting your script is you have to stop playing the victim. Stop playing the victim in life. Stop playing the victim in your relationship. Now you are the hero. You are not, or ladies, even you all are the heroes. So you have to stop playing the victim card and stop repeating to yourself, your mind, and others what all has gone wrong in your life. Please stop playing the same old cassette. We will script a beautiful new life, a beautiful new song for ourselves. Okay? In some other discussion, I will talk more in detail about the victim card. But now let's start scripting. Okay? Then download a few pics, your favorite car pics, your color, your make, everything. And you can even check my Pinterest. I have a different board for cars. You can take a printout or you can download it in your phone. So, in this, we are doing two things. First, we are scripting or writing the name of a movie, that's a dream car. And second, we are also using the vision board. We are downloading the exact thing that we want in our lives. Now, third, let's use the technique of visualizations. Well, this car pic should be in some place where you can see it at least 4 to 5 times a day. And whenever you see this, it gets a big smile on your face. You feel inspired, you feel happy, and you take 2 minutes to tap into the emotion of what you will feel when you drive this car. This is the dreamy part or aiming for what we want. The second part is you have to get down on some planning. You have to jot down the amount of the car and start working hard in your business, in your job to attain this dream of yours. It can take 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 2 years, or maybe 3 years. That's fine. But it will happen. This emotion is very important to start with, that it will happen. You can make a list of where you have to cut your corners, where you can stop wasting money. I'm not asking you to stop spending, but if you have 30 t shirts, 3 more are really not necessary. Or if you have 10 pairs of sandals, you can avoid the next 2 pairs just because it's on sale. It's not it's not for us. We have got a bigger dream. Next is go for some shopping spree or just look online and a keychain. Be very sure you're going to buy this car, and then you need a keychain, right, for your car keys. So buy yourself a keychain, or maybe uh, a small box in which you can keep your keys. Well, these small dreamy things will always push you towards hard work. Dreaming and hard work goes hand in hand. And the more you work hard, the universe will bless you more, give you more surprises, and make your dream come true. Don't believe me? Try it for yourself. And don't forget to send me your new car pics. I'll be very, very happy when that day comes. So, guys, start scripting today. Write down the name of your new movie. Start a vision board. Start visualizing and start working hard. Miracles will happen, miracles can happen, miracles happen every day. For your dream car, you may get a promotion because of your hard work. You can get a new job opportunity. A old dividend fund or bond of yours matures, and you get that big push to make the down payment. Well, anything is possible, nothing is impossible for God, universe, or whatever you want to name it. Another topic for scripting is, which is a very big topic for a large chunk of you guys, is a relationship, a good relationship. Well, let's start. Write down on a piece of paper that you are ready for a new relationship. And instead of writing down or thinking of all the things you don't want in that person, jot down 10 to 20 points that you want in that person. Girls, you can start by what all you want. Do you want that person to be fun loving? Do you want him to be outgoing? Do you want him to be a homebody? Do you want him to cook? Enjoy cooking? Maybe you all don't enjoy cooking. Same way, guys, do you want that person to be tomboyish, more casual, more relaxing, less nagging? Whatever your list is, instead of thinking what all you don't want in the person, write down what you want. It can be, she should be a very cool person, she should like going out with friends, she should like touring, roaming around, travel, right? Watching Netflix with me, anything. So write down 10 to 15 to 20 points of what you want in your ideal relationship, ideal person. You can also go to the physical description, but that I think you should just keep it on a kind of ratio. You just can't say 5 foot 3 inches and 3.5 हो गया तो नहीं चलेगा, 2.5 हो गया तो नहीं चलेगा. That's a basic. But in general, you write down what do you want. Then it will be more clear for the universe to bring that person to you. Also, there is a part 2 to this. Are you also ready or ideal for that person? So if you want a person who is very fit and goes to the gym regularly, you can't be a slob, right? So you can't, because that person won't come in your life, and if that person comes, they leave very soon. So you have to be in, what do you say, completion with what you want. You have to start becoming fitter, you have to make better choices, healthier choices for your food. If you want a not nagging person, like a fun loving person, so you can't be short tempered, you can't be cribbing all the time. So all these things go hand in hand. So you have to look at the part B also. When you want part A, so you have to be the other vice versa, the part 2 of that. Then only you can find the perfect relationship, or a relationship which is quite perfect. So you write down these points, and from the vision board you can put down some pics of travels, happy, eating, smiling, fun, whatever gives you happiness. Put down that pics on your phone or your vision board, and you can see it 3-4 times a day. And obviously you have to be in completion with that person. You have to keep your vibrations high. You can check out my video or podcast on how to raise your vibrations, because if you want such a high vibrated or such a good person or such a happy person, nobody asks for a horrible person in life, right? So if you will not meet that person if you are in the low vibration, if you are in the walking on the street, you will not meet a person who's whizzing by fast in a car, right? So you have to also be in the car lane. There are different lanes in vibrations. Walking, cycle, then maybe a bike, then a car, then a helicopter. Please check out my video or podcast regarding this. So let's start scripting our lives one day at a time, 1 week at a time, 1 month at a time. After 1 month, 6 months, or 1 year, go back and check where you were and where you have come. I'm sure nobody will be in the same place. Everybody will have moved on and completed about 40, 50, or maybe 100% of their journey. So, best of luck, guys. Happy scripting to all. Let's take our lives in our hand and be responsible, or make a very big attempt to be responsible for our lives. Hi, guys. Mom's birthday next week. Wondering what to gift her? Well, let me introduce you to a new way of gifting. It is contact free, touch free, and COVID safe. Well, it's just filled with lots of love and lots of emotions. Send her a personal message, and you can even add in your name to it, or anything that you call her personally. It can be Ma, Amma, Ba, or anything. So, for more details, you can DM me on my Instagram handle, or you can email me. My email address is in the description box below. See you guys soon. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Do like, share and subscribe, and you can also check my Instagram, podcast and Pinterest, all under the same names, Aao Baatein Kare. And if you like cars, nails, cute little things, I think there are many pins on my Pinterest which will really interest you. So meet you again with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.